Hello students, welcome to all. Today's first question is the most populous island of India is Majuli, Andaman, Lakshadweep or Salsette. The right answer is option D, Salsette. Next one, who was the first speaker of Lok Sabha? J.V. Mavalankar, M.N. Kwal, M.A. Iyengar and Sukumar Sen. The right answer is J.V. Mavalankar. Next one, the density of water is maximum at which temperature? 0 degree centigrade, 4 degree centigrade, 10 degree centigrade and at any temperature. Here the right answer is 4 degree centigrade. At 4 degree centigrade the density of water is the maximum. In sonar we use which type of waves? Ultrasonic waves, infrasonic waves, radio waves or audible sound waves? We use ultrasonic waves. If the frequency of sound wave between 20 to 20,000 Hz, then this type of sound is called audible sound. And if the frequency of sound is greater than 20,000 Hz, then we call this type of wave ultrasonic waves. And if the frequency is less than 20 Hz, then this type of waves we call infrasonic waves. So ultrasonic waves and infrasonic waves we can't hear. You have to remember this. This type of waves we can't hear. Next, which one is a sublime substance? So what is sublimation? Sublimation is the process by which solid directly changes into gas, skipping the liquid state. So here the right answer is iodine and ammonium chloride. So option D is the right answer. B and C both. A seed is ripened ovary, ovule, flower and gynoecium. Seed is basically ripened ovule and fruit is ripened ovary. Next, cell wall of fungus is made of peptidoglycan, chitin, cellulose and glycogen. The cell wall of fungus is made of chitin. Option B is the right answer. And the cell wall of bacteria is made of peptidoglycan. And cell wall of plant cells is made of cellulose. So you have to remember these points. Next, thalassemia is a hereditary disease which affects lungs, kidney, blood or heart. So thalassemia is basically a disease related to blood. Myopia is corrected by using concave lens, convex lens, concave mirror and convex mirror. So myopia is a defect of eye. Here we use to correct concave lens, concave lens. Next, polio is caused by fungus, bacteria, virus with RNA and virus with DNA. So polio is caused by virus with RNA. This is basically a RNA virus or retrovirus. RNA virus or retrovirus. Next, milk of magnesia is used as milk of magnesia. What is milk of magnesia? Magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. This is known as milk of magnesia. So this is basically a base. When acid accumulates in our stomach, then we use to neutralize the effect of acidic, we use milk of magnesia. So milk of magnesia is basically an antacid. Antacid means laxative. Laxative is also known as antacid. So this is called antiacid or antacid. It neutralizes the effect of acid. Next, dentist uses which type of mirror or lens? Dentists use concave mirror. So option B is the right answer. Who among the following was the first leader to organize labor movement in India? Lala Rajpat Rai, B.P. Walia, N.G. Ranga and N.M. Lokhande. The right answer is N.M. Lokhande. This question is very important. Next, Rana Pratap Sagar Dam is built on which of the following rivers? Yamuna, Koshi, Chambal and Ghagra. The right answer is Chambal. It is located in Rajasthan. It is located in Rajasthan, and Koshi is also known as Sorrow of Bihar. Koshi is also known as Sorrow of Bihar. Of Bihar. Next one, where is Ras Tanura oil refinery located? Iran, Saudi Arab, Iraq and USA. The right answer is Saudi Arab. Option B is the right answer. So that's all for today.